What's going on, guys? Bob here with Backcountry Daily, and on today's episode we're going to be installing this Blue Sea terminal mount fuse block. There are ways to do it, to use different components like a larger fuse block and a breaker, but we're on this 4runner. We only have lights, ham radio, and I'll probably be running a fridge soon, so I just need 4 circuits. And I really don't want to run a breaker and make it more complicated than it needs to be, so we're gonna just install this. Take a look under the hood here. Currently we got this mess going on and this mess going on, and these factory janky terminals already left me stranded once. So we're gonna be installing these ones right here that are much better, and they're corrosion resistant, and then they have these bolts here so you could screw down your terminals or screw down a block like this. So let's go over some tools I got here. We got the multimeter. You always want to have a multimeter and know how to use it. I'm actually going to make a video on how to properly use this machine. For those of you that are interested, stay tuned for that. I like to use some quality wire cutters and crimps, and these are Vice Grip brand. I'll link these in the description below so you guys can get them. These are my strippers. I will not use regular strippers after using these for many years. I bought these at Fry's Electronics. They went out of business, so I'll try to find something similar on Amazon. I'll link that in the description below as well. And it's just a test light, like a 12-volt test light. It's good to have. And then a bunch of various switches, connectors, shrink tube tools, and then this is my little to-go electronics kit. There's a bunch of different fuses and whatnot in there. Let's get started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of take all the insulation and the tape off of everything under the hood that we're going to be working on, get that ready, and then I'll continue on from there. So there we have it. I did the negative, have the chassis ground, and then the fat cable goes down that way, and a couple of negatives from these circuits run into that, so that's all nice and tight. And then the positive, I had to remove from the positive. I basically had to disconnect this whole piece right here, because as you could see, there's not much surface area here, and it's all corroded, and it's just gross. So this is the piece that went over the terminal, and this connected to the other metal piece. So the original cable is too short to go up and over, but I was able to reuse the original cable clamp that's bent 90 degrees like that and has a hole. So then it used to sit right here from the factory, so I was able to pull this bolt off, free that, and bolt it over. So I don't know if you guys could see it from the side right here. It's like this piece right here. It's a flat bar, and then the factory wiring goes down right here. So I was able to screw it into that. New fuse box was able to screw into this one, and then the other wire, this wire right here, that's also from the factory, that got screwed into here above this, and then that holds it to the terminal. So it's very tight, very secure. I'm not gonna hopefully be left stranded because of this anymore. And it's really easy. This is labeled right here, so I put LED and ham, so when it's on, it's something like this, clips on like that, and that's it. That's pretty much the finished product right there. And then here's the relay. I only have one relay, and it's just right here, and it's just kind of zip tied. And then this one goes all the way through the firewall inside to the switch and to the radio. And then later on, I'm going to add a fridge here, and I'm going to add a maybe a compressor, or I forget what the fourth one was, but yeah, basically a fridge and something else. All right, guys, well, that's it for the video. It's a short one today. I just wanted to clean up my electrical. There you have it. I'm really happy with this product, by the way, and I'll link it down in the description below. It's like $20, $22 on Amazon shipped, so it's very well worth it, and it's made by Blue Sea. I've used that product for many years in my Jeep, and it's very good quality. So, all right, guys, we'll talk to you in the next one. Take care.